Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the interim leader of Burkina Faso since September 2022, commands a complex and deeply divided public perception. Both at home and Traoré is widely admired among many young Burkinabe and Pan-African youth who view him as a symbol of defiance against foreign influence, particularly from France and other Western powers. His rhetoric on national sovereignty, anti-imperialism, and calls for African unity have resonated powerfully across the region. Many supporters praise him for expelling French troops from Burkina Faso, emphasizing national pride and self-reliance, projecting an image of youth leadership in contrast to older,